What's your trick?
Yeah, that's my trick.
Okay. Go. Okay. What's your trick? You just showed me. You showed me your hands. There's nothing in that hand. There's a sock in this hand. Marco, you gotta work on that trick. It was so much better before. Okay, ready? Okay, go. You have to say it. Say, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Say it. Go say that. What does that even mean? Okay. High five?
Yeah.
Okay. High foot.
No. 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 No.
Okay, that's it? You're done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I would like to show you a magic trick. The sock.
Yeah.
Oh.